Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation on this smartphone. You need to start by going into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's blue. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same icon. If you wish to, you can always go into settings as well. Select display, scroll down and tap on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!